Did you know that over 2.5 million research papers are published every year across thousands of journals worldwide? For a researcher, finding the right journal can feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. Selecting the wrong journal could lead to delays, rejections, or even losing the opportunity to showcase your hard work to the right audience. As researchers, our goal isn't just to publish, but to publish in journal where our work can make the greatest impact. This is why using a journal finder tool is essential. It helps streamline the process, match your paper to the right journals, and increase your chance of acceptance. Namaste. Welcome to
Date.
Science. So how you can do is, you can go to the Google and you can just write journal finder. And when you write journal finder, as you can see here in the search button, they are giving you many options like Springer, Wiley, Taylor, Francis, Elsevier. These are the name of the publication houses. So you can choose any of it. And if you know any of the publication house, generally the publication house or the Finder Web of Science also you can. So generally the publication house which are actually reputed one or those who have reputed journals under them, they do find journal finders. And I am just hoping that since you are looking for a publication, you might be looking for Scopus Index or Web of Sciences, and these list of the journals that you're getting here, all these things are actually very good. So let's you can take any of it. So my favorite is always Elsevier. So let me take Elsevier. So you can see here that there's a find a journal and journal finder which is written here. So we can just go click, and now the main part which comes here is your abstract. So here check if you're eligible for open access savings. So you can actually paste your abstract. In case you don't know your abstract, you can just write the keywords, right? Or a journal title. So let me take any of the abstract. For example, I take title as this. So as you can see here, the abstract that I have added here, it shows that I can go and publish in food chemistry, and this is the impact factor. This is the site score which is given, and the decision time, first decision time take like 20 days, and the time of acceptance can go from 117 days, and the acceptance rate is not given. Yeah, so this article it says that there's no publishing charge. But if you want to keep it like public domain, it will be charged this much. There is Helion as well. So if you see, the impact factor is 3.4, and these journals are generally Scopus Index journals of Web of Science. 160 days it takes. The acceptance rate is not written, probably because the abstract that I've taken is actually already published. So yeah, so generally they do say the at acceptance rate as well. So what is the acceptance rate? So as accordingly you can actually choose. So you can see there are like a lot of journals with all the details which has given. So yeah, here if you can see the food packaging and shelf life, it shows up acceptance in 17%. So generally we look for the acceptance rate over like 25-40%. That does work more. So like 23 or 20-23%, which is actually quite good. Like okay, not good I would say. But yeah, we do look for publication. So yeah, this is how it goes. You can always search it. And as I said, that it's not the only this one. You can also go and search for any of the things. Like this is an Elsevier as an example. You can also write like journal finder and do the same thing with Springer as well, because this is also a very known Springer journal. So you see here, there is this journal finder which says that you have to give the maximum abstract, and then the keywords, you have to give the keywords, and then they give you the journal's name. So this is how you can actually add, and you can just go to Google, just type journal finder, and you actually get the possibilities of, or knowing that what is the percentage of your journal to get selected. So I think this is like a kind of a brief idea I gave you about. Also, you can search yourself as well about these, because it is very very important for you when you're writing an article. It is very very important for you to know where it can get published, because at the end of the day, the outcome is published articles. You need to publish it somewhere in a very good reputed journals. This is how you find the journals. Now that you know the importance of finding the right journal, don't stop here. Dive deeper into your research journey with these two must watch videos. A complete guide for mastering every stage of research paper process. Learn how to harness the power of Google Scholar to take your research to the next level. Hit the subscribe button for more insightful videos, and let's make research simpler and more impactful together. And this is Dr. Purvi Sarkar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.